Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review the Surge credit card. The Surge Platinum MasterCard is an unsecured credit builder card aimed at individuals with fair to poor credit. It requires no deposit and gives an initial limit between $300 to $1,000 with the potential to double after 6 on-time payments. Your on-time payments are reported monthly to all 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, helping to build your credit history. However, it carries a steep cost, a first-year annual fee of $75 to $125, plus up to $12.50 per month in maintenance after year 1, potentially totaling over $200 every year. The APR is also extremely high, around 35.9% fixed, making it a cost if you carry a balance. There are no rewards, cashback, or bonus offers, and no special perks like balance transfers or travel benefits. That said, it includes MasterCard's zero liability protection and monthly experience or Vantage Score access if you opt for e-statements. The card is easy to pre-qualify for with a soft inquiry that doesn't affect your score. Users report mixed experiences. Some say it helped improve credit, while others have called it a predatory card due to its high fees compared to deposit-backed secured cards. Many experts recommend considering secured alternatives like Capital One or Discover, which charge a refundable deposit instead of ongoing fees and may offer rewards and upgrade paths. Overall, if you lack funds for a deposit and can't pay on time and in full, Surge can help establish credit, but its high and non-refundable costs make it a less appealing long-term solution. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.